In this video, I'll show you how to check data usage and also set data limits if you want on your Windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Click on this, right? Click on the settings. Once you have clicked on the settings, wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this network and internet, right? Once I click on it, I'm going to see this, right? You can see I'm currently connected to How to Do hotspot, right? And this is the data usage, right? In the last 30 days, I've used, I think I've used 21.3 gig, right? And let's say if for any reasons you love to set limits, right? Data limits, that is data usage limit. Just come on here, click on the enter limit, right? You can set data limits from here. The limit type, they have the monthly, one time unlimited, right? You can set the data limit. Let's say in a month I can set to use just, let me say, 100 gig, right? You can just set it up, right, from your own preferred choice. So that is how you can check data usage and set data limits in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.